Hello. Okay. This is where you will come to make a deposit. You just go to instacoins.com. Make sure you sign up. Once you sign up and have an account, every time you log in, so make sure you save your credentials. Every time you sign in, excuse me, it's going to bring you to this page. You are buying Bitcoins. The amount of Bitcoins you will be buying it's all up to you. So you will be paying with a credit or a debit card. You will select credit or debit card. If you're doing a wire transfer from your bank, that is due to the fact that you have to, if you're doing, say for example, over $5,000, you're going to use the wire transfer. If you're doing, and then it'll show you how many Bitcoins you're getting. But if you're going to use your credit or debit card, you're just going to use credit or debit card. You're going to select this button right here, and then you see how this highlights, and then you are going to select buy now. And then once you select this, since you're using a credit or debit card, it will take you directly to another screen, which you can fill in your information, your name and address and debit card and the security code on the back of that card. It's going to ask you for all of that. Once you um, once you do all of that, then hold on a minute. Let me see. Yeah, once you do all of that, it's just going to take you to another screen to where you're going to complete the transaction, because what you're going to have to do is submit your information from your KOT Forex account. It has simple instructions that you just follow in order to make that deposit. Once you make that deposit, you can go to the video that I created for how to upload to KOT4X, and it will show you. So um, if it's asking you for a wallet, you'll get that information from the email that KOT4X will send to you. Once you click buy, it's going to send you to a totally different page, and you just follow those instructions, which is going to again tell you to go to your email, put in the wallet address. So you'll copy that and paste it like I showed you in the how to upload to KOT4X. Once you copy and paste it, then these funds will go into your account, and then you follow those instructions um, from that particular video and just go from there. But yes, so when you come over here, you want to, if you need to register a new card, you can do it here. Your account logs, your password and security, to contact your support. Your limits, your account. This is going to show you your transaction history, and this one will show you the transfer and everything. So everything is really pretty simple. And if you ever need help, all you have to do is select this need help chat with us button, and then this will pop up. My name automatically pops up because I talk to them often. So your name and your email address and everything will pop up there, whatever email you have selected for you know um, Instacoins. But yes, it's pretty self-explanatory. It is really simple. Just know that if you're paying with the debit card, you just select it. Once you have to select this little box here. You have to check it, and then this will of course be highlighted, and you will see. If you don't, you see how this is not shaded anymore. You can't do anything. You have to select this in order to buy this amount of Bitcoins. But that's it. Happy trading and good luck with everything. Oh, one more thing I wanted to say. Right here, when you go to register your new card, if you have, you know, too many cards, it will give you something like no additional proof of identity documents are required. You have reached the maximum number of credit cards allowed for your user or your credit card, which is awaiting review. And again, if you need to contact the assistance, then you can select the button there at the bottom. But yes, so go through each and every one and just follow the instruction. It's very simple, very self-explanatory, and just go from there. I will see you at the top.